I recently came across an interview with Emma Stone, where she talked about how she starts her day with a unique ritual, the gelatin trick. Apparently, she's been doing it for months now, and it's completely transformed her morning routine. What I love about the gelatin trick is how it's become a daily habit for so many people, including myself. It's amazing how something as simple as dissolving gelatin in water can have such a profound impact on our overall well-being. As I've incorporated the gelatin trick into my own morning routine, I've noticed that I wake up without that sluggish feeling, and I'm more energized throughout the day. The gelatin trick is all about creating a gentle, nourishing ritual that sets you up for success, and it's easy to see why it's become a staple for people looking to upgrade their daily habits. Whether you're looking to boost your energy or just find a sense of calm in the morning chaos, the gelatin trick is definitely worth exploring. To get started with the gelatin trick and make it a part of your daily routine, check out the link in my description below for a comprehensive guide. If you have any questions or want to share your own experience with the gelatin trick, head to the pinned comment and let's chat.